Ever yawned just because someone else did? It's not just copycat behavior, it's your brain showing empathy. When you see someone yawn, and then feel the urge to yawn too, that's your mirror neurons firing, the same ones that make you feel sad when someone cries. These neurons help us feel what others think. Scientists believe contagious yawning is a sign of emotional connection. The stronger the bond, the more likely you'll catch their yawn.
Are you yawning?
Even babies don't catch yawns until they're old enough to feel empathy, around 4 to 5 years old. Next time you yawn after someone else, remember, it means you're not heartless. Follow and subscribe to Spitting Facts for more mind-blowing brain facts.